Hi guys, I just finished my work today and come with me so that we can go see my sister. I am going to see her for the first time since the attack. She's been at the hospital, we've been communicating with our parents, but I've had a busy schedule all week. Now, today is on a Thursday. I am going to see her right now. Please come with me, we see my sister. It's been so hectic, but I have been supporting her throughout. This person really did us bad and it's been so hectic. Please come with me so that we see my sister just to make sure that she's okay. And you have really been watching the video that I created previously. Please continue sharing and raising awareness such that even that person that did it to my sister, because he has not been found yet, let us find him together. Share these videos as far and wide as you can to stop this from happening. The target was someone else that day, that evening, that night, and that person may not have survived, may not have gotten a second chance like my sister. So share this video far and wide and let this rogue person, rogue criminal be found, because this was wrong. It was an injustice. It is an injustice to my sister. She shouldn't be suffering the way she is right now. I just wish this could stop. I just wish this can be taken care of by the necessary authorities, because it is happening and it is real. I never would have thought that I would be talking about my sister being attacked for no good reason whatsoever. She's a woman, she's young, and she happened to have been in the path where she wasn't supposed to be. And either way, another woman would have been. So it is an injustice to anybody for this to happen. So let's go see my sister as we take her to her some fruits, because she still can't eat heavy meals. The blow to the stomach was meant to kill. I tell you for free. She's still in the hospital and this is the third day now. Nilibebwa na nganya, and this bus, dear Lord, was too full to breathe and the music was too loud. You cannot think. So this is me trying to just get you to breathe. But we finally arrived at the hospital. I don't like hospitals. They just don't make me feel good at all. But this is me walking along the corridors and here she is. I really just looked at her. I had that moment where I put my phone down to just hug her and be with her, because I just wanted to do that more than anything. And being the camera lady and at the same time being the sister, I chose one, being the sister. So this is her, and as she was talking, I was sobbing behind the camera, like listening to her account of the story live, not from the phone, because before that I had spoken to our parents, not her. It was just so heartbreaking. I was sobbing. I was the ugliest, like literally, I was the ugliest that time, because I was crying and sobbing throughout. I was full of anger, full of rage as I was listening to her like talk about what happened. It was just so painful to listen. She's better now. She's not in that much pain as before, and it was I can just imagine how she looked like the first day. So this is her. As you can see, she's doing much better. She will be released. She was still very weak. She couldn't like sit upright properly because she was still having a lot of abdominal pain. The blow to her stomach was really the one that was too much for her. So yeah, I realized that telling her to sit upright is literally just a punishment. So I just asked her to keep lying down. So yeah, that is it. I wanted to show you because you guys have shown me so much love. You have shared this video so much. And honestly, the tension is there even in the village where we live. So keep praying for her to recover and keep praying for that person to be found before they do any more damage to anybody else. So yeah, so as you can see, my sister is doing much better right now. She can speak. She wasn't speaking before. She was in so much shock and so much pain, from the headache to the stomach. And now that was it from this video. I just finished. This is me just going home, and thank you so much for your support. Keep praying for us. Thank you, and subscribe.